Alright, welcome back to another CoinPulse Exchange tutorial. Today we are going to look at buying digital assets on the CoinPulse Exchange. One of the first things you'll need to do obviously is log into your account and then head over to the Exchange tab. You will notice that I am on the Ethereum market and I am looking at the CoinPulse token trading pair against Ethereum. So there's two ways in order to buy your digital assets. The first one, you come down and look at the order book. You'll see this is the top order right here. So if I want to put myself at this next queue, I'm going to type in just Satoshi higher. I will put in one CPEX token for my buy. Also notice down here I have enabled my discounted trade fees using my CPEX tokens, so it does take it down from 0.2% down to 0.06%. You are able to determine if you want to spend a quarter, half, 3/4, or 100% of your available balance. Again, for this example, I'm just going to use one. Go ahead and hit buy, and then after it does its magic, you will see that it will drop the order right here in queue. So now I'm the next one to get filled when someone's looking to sell. We'll go ahead and cancel this for the example. Pretty easy. Go ahead and just cancel it on the X there. The other way in which you can buy your tokens or coins is then to go to the sell orders. So right here, this would be the next sell order in line. So I'll go there, and again, we're only going to use one for the example, so I'll trade it to one, but I have put it at the 52.78 right here. Again, my discounted trade fees are set up. So then you go ahead and hit buy, and once you do it this way, if you're buying someone who's already selling this token, you will notice that it won't put it in queue, it will just fill the order. So now you go up here and you click the little bell where you get the one, and it'll tell you that you have just bought a token. That is how you buy on the CoinPulse Exchange. Please check us out on Telegram if you've got any questions. Thank you very much, and we look forward to talking to you soon.